Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. I am working through By the Will for God's Paradox, Truths, and Contrast devotional kit today, and I am specifically on day 4 in Romans 12:1, which says, I appeal to you, therefore, brothers, by the mercies of God, to present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable to God, which is your spiritual worship. I'm using this Winter Whispers floral stamp. This was released alongside the kit this month, and I stamped it in antique linen because I don't want any harsh lines. I'm using a couple of my favorite greens for my stash. These are all Daniel Smith watercolors, which most I've picked up from By the Will for God. This color is Cascade Green, and I wish it showed up better on Bible pages, but it doesn't. But it is a beautiful green with some like teal colors in there as well. It doesn't want to play as well on Bible paper. Some of these watercolors, you just can't see all the funness that they bring on Bible journaling paper or Bible paper, and so you kind of lose a little bit of it, but you can kind of see the greenish teal. I will actually add some more coloring later into those leaves. But now I'm using Undersea Green, which is another one of my favorites. It's just this deep kind of olivey green, but has some deeper blue tones in it as well. These are some of my favorites. I just want to say, like, these are a few of my favorite things. Okay, you don't want to hear me sing. But anyways, those two are really, really great greens if you are looking into getting some of your own watercolors. Now, at first, I was going to keep with the theme of this kit and do all the blues from, this kit and the little swatch card that we got from By the Will for God. They gave that little swatch card of Daniel Smith watercolors. And so I was going to do a lot of blues. And so I started off that way, but I kind of went away from that. And I started using some of the kyanite, I believe is how you say it, genuine. I'm not positive, on this bottom floral after I do all these fun little added extras. I had that one little sprig right there, and I decided that I needed some more sprigs. But anyways, this is me using that swatch card. I was going to do all blues, but then I just felt like I needed some more color. I do have to say, what I do like about this floral is that I left some white in there, like I didn't fill it in completely, and that's kind of what saved these florals. I kind of wish I did that a little bit more with the leaves, but you'll see how I fix that in the end. I also use quinacridone violet in this floral. Well, I kind of have to pull it off the table so I can see it a little bit better. But I am using Rhodonite Genuine for this pink rose, I'm thinking what it is. I'm just doing a very light color, also with a little bit of Potter's Pink, and then I'm using some shading of it in the same color, just a little bit darker. Now you'll see here that I move on to a different floral. I'm not finishing this flower. There's a whole piece to the left side that I missed, but here is Indian Yellow, and I don't even know how to say this color, but it's like, I'm going to say it wrong, but it's New Gamboge, maybe, in that yellow color. So it's kind of like an orangey color. But here I am adding some more Indian Yellow to these leaves to give them a little bit more dimension and building up the rose pink color a little bit. Still haven't realized that I've missed coloring in that left side. But here is where I really add in some more white with that Uniball Signal pen. It works fabulous, and I filled in that pink flower right there. And then this page will be done. I will highlight the verse on Romans 12:1, and this page will be complete. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Please don't judge me because I'm not a watercolorist, so I don't know all the terms and all the stuff, but I enjoy it. So enjoy it with me and have a great day, guys. Bye.